Hello, and thank you for purchasing the LightStim Pro Panel. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up your Pro Panel. It's quick and easy and should only take a few minutes. First, open the box containing the base and the pole. Unwrap the pole and insert it firmly onto the base. Insert the long bolt with washer into the bottom of the base. Hand tighten and turn the pole to lock the bolt into position. Now, open up the white LightStim box containing your new Pro Panel. The device is packaged in a custom box that should be saved for future transportation or shipping. Each Pro Panel comes with a pair of goggles, a power supply, and either a US or international plug kit. Carefully lift the light with two hands. Take care to ensure that the arm does not spring open. Gently insert the arm and LED into the top of the pole. Next, firmly connect the US plug to the power supply. Now, connect the power cord connector to the Pro Panel connector, making sure the pins line up. Connect the Pro Panel power cord into the wall outlet. LightStim Pro Panel may also be used with the LightStim plug kit. When using the international plug kit, attach the appropriate adapter to the cord. This may require an extra push. The timer should now briefly display double zeros. Adjust the arm of the Pro Panel to position the device for treatment. Use the handles to guide the panels into position directly over the treatment area. Continue using the handles to contour the panels to the shape of the area you wish to treat. Now, set your timer and you're ready to go.